Welcome back, my dear students of grade 9. So far, we have discussed about the factors of production in this chapter, and we also discussed how the people living in the Palampur arrange the land. That is the first factor of production, and how the land is distributed among the people. Today we will discuss the next factor of production, that is labor. Who provide the labor in the village Palampur? Let us discuss. As we seen in these pictures that there are the different works in the farming. For example, plowing in the field or sowing, spraying of the insecticide, or we can use the traditional method or we can use the modern techniques. तो इन सब कामों को करने के लिए लेबर कहाँ से आएगी, कौन प्रोवाइड करवाता है लेबर? लेट अस डिस्कस. For doing all these work, how they arrange the labor. Now we will discuss this factor of production, that is labor. In the small farmer family, they cultivate their own field. Along with the family members, they can do their work. But in the medium and the large farmers, they hire farm laborers to work on their field. Now, who are the farm laborers? Who provide the labor? Farm labor may be landless families or the families cultivating small plots of land. जिनके पास कोई भी लैंड नहीं है वो फैमिलीज फार्म लेबर प्रोवाइड करवाएंगी, या फिर जिनके प्लॉट का साइज बहुत छोटा है दे विल प्रोवाइड द लेबरर्स फॉर द फार्मिंग. एंड व्हाट दे गेट फॉर द work. In this picture, it is the discussion among the two farm laborers, that is Dala and the Ramkali. He is Dala and she is Ramkali. They are discussing about how they get the work in these days, because in the village very limited number of large farmers. As we know, only 60 families are medium and large farmers, and most of the farmers are using the modern techniques. And how they will get the work in these days? They need less worker, and these days they are looking for the another option, that is a labor as a brick making unit in the Raiganj or the other works, so they can earn their livelihood. And who are working as a farm laborer, what are their wages, what they get for the work? Wages can be in cash में भी हो सकती है, और in kind, that is crops, कैसे भी हो सकती है. Sometimes laborers get meal also. Wages vary widely from region to region. सब जगह वेजेस एक जैसी नहीं है और हर एक क्रॉप के लिए भी एक जैसी उनको वेजेस नहीं मिलती. एंड मोस्टली दे गेट द वर्क ड्यूरिंग द sowing season and harvesting season. That's why their employment duration is very less. Only for 5 or 6 months they get the work. And the farm laborers get employed on the daily basis. क्योंकि उस समय सारा साल तो काम नहीं होता है एग्रीकल्चर में, कुछ मंथ और कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ में ही उन्हें ज़्यादा लेबर की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट्स वाई दे हायर द लेबर ऑन द डेली basis. Dala is a landless farm labor, as we discussed earlier, who works on daily wages in Palampur. Means he needs regular work. And the minimum wages that is set by the government according to 2017, that is 300. But Dala gets only 160. Why it is so? Because there is a lot of competition. Work is less, but labor is more in Palampur. That's why they are ready to work on the less wages. That's why wages are less in Palampur because of heavy competition for the work. That is about the labor. How in the village Palampur they arrange the second factor of production, that is labor. Next factor is capital. How they arrange the capital for the farming. If the farmers are using the modern methods of farming, they need a great deal of capital. As we know, in the traditional methods, they need less money. Small farmers have to borrow the money, and they borrow from the large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders for the various activities like inputs for the cultivation. उन्हें जो भी सामान चाहिए कल्टीवेशन के लिए, उसके लिए वे बारो करेंगे, उधार लेंगे. The rate of interest for the loan is very high. So the farmers always in a great distress how to repay the loan. Here is the story of a small farmer, that is Savita, who plans to cultivate a wheat on a 1 hectare of land. For this she needs fertilizer, pesticide, and also needs some water and repair her farm instrument. So she needs a capital, that is minimum 3,000, but she doesn't have this money. So she decided to take loan from the Tejpal Singh, a large farmer in the village Palampur. Tejpal Singh agrees to give the loan, but the interest rate is very high, that is 24% for 4 months. Savita promised to work on his field as a farm laborer during the harvest season, but wages only 100 rupees per day. That is very low wages as decided by the government. And Savita has to work in her fields also. So it is very hard for Savita to arrange all these activities. As a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibilities. Savita agrees to these tough conditions. She knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. उसे पता है स्मॉल फार्मर के लिए लोन लेना बहुत मुश्किल है पालमपुर में, जिस कारण से वो तेजपाल सिंह की सभी शर्तें मानने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है. बट हियर इज़ द कंडीशन कि अगर वो तेजपाल से लोन ना लेती, किसी बैंक से लोन ले लेती, तो उसकी कंडीशन कुछ अलग होती. वो ईज़िली अपने फार्म पर काम भी कर लेती और इंटरेस्ट रेट भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं देना पड़ता. और जो शर्तें तेजपाल सिंह ने रखी थी कि उसके फार्म पर एज ए लेबर काम करेगी, या हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद सारी जो क्रॉप है प्रोडक्शन वो उसी को सेल करेगी, तो इस तरह की उसे कंडीशन को मानना नहीं पड़ता, उसकी कंडीशन बेटर होती. बट द मीडियम एंड large farmers have their own savings from the farming, so they arrange the capital. And how they arrange the saving, this savings उनके पास कैसे आती है, let us discuss. Sale of surplus farm product. The farmers have produced wheat on their land using 3 factors of production. The wheat is harvested and production is completed. Now what the farmer do with the wheat? अब उसके साथ क्या करेगा? तो उसमें से कुछ पार्ट वो अपनी फैमिली कंजम्पशन के लिए रखेगा और बाकी जो सरप्लस व्हीट होती है उसको मार्केट में सेल कर देगा. स्मॉल फार्मर्स लाइक सविता एंड गोविंदसन हैव लिटिल सरप्लस व्हीट बिकॉज देयर टोटल प्रोडक्शन इज स्मॉल. From this, a substantial share is kept for their own family needs. उनके लिए तो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सरप्लस होता है कि वो मार्केट में सेल कर पाए, बट द मीडियम एंड लार्ज फार्मर्स have a lot of surplus. Tejpal Singh, a large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintal of wheat from all of his land. He sells the surplus wheat at the Raiganj market and has a good earning. तो इस earning का वो अब क्या करेगा? He can give the loan to the small farmers like Savita, or he can put money in the bank account, or he can use that savings to arrange the working capital for the farming in the next season. That is a different way. Or he can also use that money to increase the fixed capital, means he can buy tractor, harvesting machine, etc. That is a different way. He can use the surplus what he get from the farming. We can see that it is easy for the medium and the large farmers to arrange the capital for the farming, but small farmers have to borrow from the medium and large farmers, or from the traders or the money lenders. So these are the 4 factors of production for the farming activity. In the next video, we will discuss about the non-farming activities, because in the Palampur, all the people are not doing the farming, they are doing the other work also. What are these works? We will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.